Hi guys, so today we are going to talk about one of the important topics in computer network, which is checksum. So before we start about checksum, let's talk about the error detection techniques that is divided into three parts. We have single party check, we have cyclic redundancy check, and we have also checksum. And our topic is checksum. What is checksum? Checksum is error detection method that has three steps or different following steps. The first one, we have the sender side. The sender side is that the data bit or FM bit checksum is used. The data unit to be transmitted is divided into segments, many segments of M bits. All the M bit segments are added and the result of the sum is then complemented using the first complement arithmetic. The value so obtained is used as it shown here, and the data along with the checksum value is transmitted to the receiver. We will take after that, we will take it to the receiver. After we taking the data, the checksum value to the receiver, we will find so many options here. If the M bit checksum is being used, the received data unit is divided into segments of M bits. All the M bit segments are added along with the checksum value, and the value so obtained is complemented and the result is checked. So if you don't get that, so we will have some examples here and we will show how it will works. But before that, after we finish the receiver side, we will get two options and we will find it either the result will be 0 or not 0. If it is 0, then there will be no errors in the data during the transmission, and if there is error, then there is something occurred and the data will be retransmitted to the server to be sent it again. Let's come to this example. So consider the data unit to be suppose we have this example, like we have a number of data and we will divide it in sender side. We will divide this data into many parts like this one. So it will be divided into 4 parts or whatever, and then we will add them as follow. We will add the numbers as you see now, and suppose we will get one extra number. See, adding 101. So this added number will be carry. The added one will be carry, and then we will add it and it will come to the answer. And this answer we will take it also and add it with the divided part. We have divided into 4 parts and we took the first one and then we took the second one and we will add them. If we have also carry, we will add it with the third and the fourth until we get the final answer. And the final answer will be complemented using the first complemented to get the checksum value. You can see here this number, the final answer suppose will be like this. We will take it and we will complement it using the first complement and it will be changed. But what if we have one extra carry number? What we will do, we will add it before we get the complement, and after we add it we will find the final answer here, and then we will use the first complement to get the final checksum value, and this is will happen at the sender side. See, you can see it here. So after that, what we will do, so we will get this number. What is the use of the receiver side? The receiver side, we will take this number, it will take it, it will do it again, and it will come to the final answer and it will complement it once again, and after complementing the checksum value, we will add them to get the final answer. Our final answer is what? To be 0. And how we will reach to 0, how we will find that the data is transferred from server side to receiver side is there is no problem occurred in the data. That's what we will see here. So at receiver side, we will take the sum of all elements, that the final answer as follow, and we will take the complemented value and we will add them. We will get 1 1 1 1 1 like this. After that, we will do the first complement once again, and then the final answer is going to be what? 0 0 0 0 0. So when we get this number, it means that the data is transferred from the server side to from sender side to receiver side, has been transferred successfully, and there is no any problem. If there is any problem, then the answer will not be 0 0 0. It will have any 1 or 1. And if it is like that, as we have talked before, then the data will be retransferred again to the server side to be checked and sent back to the receiver side. And that was the job of the receiver side and sender side. And I hope you guys have understood this topic successfully. And thank you so much. But before that, we have some notes here. Let's go through it. It's so important. They said, consider while adding the m bit segments, the result obtained consists of more than m bits. It means like it should be divided into many bits. Wrap around the extra bits and add the result. Check sum value consists of m bits. While calculating the checksum, if checksum value is needed, then assume it to be 0. After calculating the checksum value, substitute the checksum value in checksum field. This will be required during checksum calculating of IP header, TCP header, and UDP header. The checksum is used in the internal by several protocols, although not at the data link. And that's all for my topic. I hope you guys have understood this one, and thank you so much.